a lot of the problems in chapter 4 are similar to this, so let me show you how to set it up. First of all, it says here if 2.4 moles of C5H12 react with excess O2, how many moles of CO2 will be replaced, or be produced, sorry. So you're starting with moles of A, which is C5H12, and you want to end up with moles of B, CO2. So anytime you go from A to B, you're going to set it up similar to this. Now let me show you, you can actually go grams to grams. So I'm going to put grams of A, you're going to start with A, and then you're going to convert to moles, and then from mole of A, you'll do a mole ratio to B, and then you'll go to grams, so cancel out mole B and go to grams of B. Okay, so how do I know to put all of those like this? Look, because I want to cancel out grams of A, so it needs to be diagonal here to cancel out. I want to cancel out moles of A, so that will cancel out there, and I want to cancel out moles of B, so it's going to cancel out diagonal there. Okay, it'll always be set up like this. So it might say, this one says moles, but it could go potentially like 5 grams of A, how many grams of B will I get? And you set it up exactly like this every time. Okay, grams would just be whatever grams it gives you, in this case 5 grams. Here, this gram per mole, this is the molecular weight. Mole to mole ratio, this is the ratio of your coefficients that I was talking about. So in this case, if we're looking at A, the coefficient in front of it is 1, and B, the coefficient in front of it is 5. Okay? And let me make sure there wasn't a coefficient there. Let me check your numbers. Yeah, just 1. Okay, come back here. Now let's set this up for this problem. This problem we just need to go from moles, so start at moles of A. Let me change my color. So I'm going to go from moles of A, so start right here, and I'm going to go to moles of B right here. So it's actually an easier problem than what I showed you here. So I have 2.41 moles of C5H12. Okay. Now I need to go to moles of, do the mole ratio. So I have how many moles of A? We'll see there's only one there, only one C5H12. This is my A, this is my B. So I'm going to put 1 mole of C5H12. I know to put it at the bottom so it'll cancel out here. Sorry, I have somebody helping me today. And I have 5 moles of CO2. Why 5? Because the number 5 in front of CO2 in the reaction. Those are the coefficients it was asking about. So all I need to do then is 2.41 multiplied by 5, because there's 5 more moles in this reaction. And that'll tell you how many moles of CO2 will be produced. Okay? Now, if I started with grams, I would have gone all the way over here. Let's see. I would have gone from here and ended up all the way over here. But this one, you're just going from moles to moles, so it's just one step. Anytime you go from moles to moles, all you're doing is basically this part right here. Okay? I hope that helps get you started. Let me know if you need any more help.